Top text acronyms, Part 2. Number 1. JK means just kidding. It shows you're joking. For example, you failed the test. JK. You actually aced it. Say it with a smile. JK. Number 2. LMK means let me know. For example, LMK if you're free tonight. Native speakers say it fast. LMK. Number 3. LOL means laugh out loud, but people use it even when they're not laughing. For example, that meme was hilarious. LOL. Number 4. MCM stands for Man Crush Monday, a trend where people post about guys they admire. For example, posting my MCM, Ryan Gosling. Each letter is clear. MCM. Number 5. NA means not applicable or not available. For example, date of birth. NA. Say it. NA, not nah. Number 6. NP means no problem. For example, thanks for helping. NP. Smoothly say. NP. Number 7. NVM means never mind. For example, forget what I said, NVM. Say, NVM. Very quickly. Number 8. OMW means on my way. For example, OMW to the party. Native speakers say, OMW. Number 9. OOO means out of office. For example, I'm OOO till Monday. Say, OOO, not triple O. Number 10. OOTD means outfit of the day. For example, check my OED on Insta. Say, OOT fast and lively. Number 11. POV means point of view, often used in short videos or memes. For example, you just found out it's Monday. Say, POV, with sarcasm or drama. Number 12. RN means right now. For example, I'm craving pizza R. Say, AR super quickly. Number 13. ROFL means rolling on the floor laughing, funnier than LOL. For example, that joke? ROFL. Say, raffle or ROFL. Number 14. SMH means shaking my head when something's dumb or disappointing. For example, he forgot his shoes again. SMH. Say, SMH low energy, sarcastic tone. Number 15. TBA means to be announced. For example, next guest, TBA. Say, TBA, clear and formal. Number 16. TBD means to be decided. For example, meeting time, TBD. Say, TBD. Number 17. TGIF means thank goodness it's Friday. For example, long week, TGIF. Say, TGIF, with excitement. Number 18. TFW means that feeling when. Used before a relatable sentence or meme. For example, TFW, you finally understand English jokes. Say, TFW, playful tone. Number 19. TIA means thanks in advance. For example, could you check this for me? TIA. TII sounds polite. Number 20. TLDR means too long, didn't read. For example, TLDR, I quit the job. Say the letters. TLDR. Number 21. TMI means too much information, used when someone overshares. For example, you told me what? TMI. Say the letters. TMI, shocked tone. Number 22. TTYL means talk to you later. For example, gotta go. TTYL. Say the letters. TTYL. Casually upbeat. Number 23. WCW means Woman Crush Wednesday, used to praise a woman on social media. For example, posting my WCW, Zendaya. Say the letters. WCW. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.